Welcome to the trigger point release video. Today's video is about our shoulders. We're going to take the large ones, which are orange balls, and we're going to roll them slowly through our back, just loosening up those muscles. And you can see as in the video where I bring the elbows in, allowing myself to open and widen the shoulders. Then I cross the arms across to one shoulder, and you can also take the arms over your head. Take one ball isolated, place it right on top of the shoulder, lift the pelvis up and thrust towards the ceiling, pushing into the ball and release. Do this a few times to allow yourself to release any tension, tightness that is in that area of the shoulder. We're going to now slowly release this, and we're going to grab the blue set. Repeat the same theory that you did with the orange ones, rolling them in the upper part of the spine, then taking one and repeating the same method that you did with the orange one. Just this time you're going to be chugging the ball back and forth a few times, and then you can go in a circular formation to loosen up any tension in those trigger point areas. Now you are able to go a little deeper by lifting and thrusting that pelvis up into the ceiling. Then you're going to go side to side, find those different areas, those different knots, and you repeat on the other side. We're going to end up taking this particular stretch a little deeper with the blue ones, and then when we are done with the blue, we're going to then take the purple ones, repeating the same pattern. Grab a hold of the purple ones, same thing, just allowing to go deeper, like almost it's as if you're going through a deep tissue massage. So you want to be able to do the same thing. Take your hand behind the head. You may take the arm over your head. The key is to keep that elbow from bending. Extend the arm out to the side. You can rotate the palm up and then rotate it down. And this turns and allows you to kind of get deep into those areas in the muscle. As you can see in the video, just play with the ball. It's okay. Now we're going into the stretches. We extend the arm out to the side, palm facing down, and as you can see from the back, all those muscles that are being active, and at the same time pulling into the shoulder, pushing that shoulder back. So this is a very easy and nice, effective after you've done the rolling. Then go into child pose and decompress from here. On to our next video. Thank you for watching.